Hey guys, what's up? So today we are doing an eclipse inspired look, getting ready for that eclipse on April 8th. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, first what I'm doing is just going ahead and blocking out my brows. And then I am just going to do a full face of makeup off camera, and then we'll come back and actually do the look together. I just feel kind of like the whole full face routine would be a little boring for you guys. All right, so I went ahead and did my full face, blush, bronzer, all of that, contour, and I've done one eye here just to kind of see what I wanted to do because I have no plan for this look whatsoever. Right now I'm going to be using the Angel Eyes Primer by True and Luscious. I love this stuff because it color corrects while it primes and really provides like a blank base for those shadows. I am just going to put this all over the eye, way out here, all over the brow, literally everywhere with this stuff. And starting us off, I'm going to be taking this Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics. This palette has a really pretty gray in it called Zero Gravity. So I'm going to be using that to start off. And I'm just going to place that all up in here. Next, I'm going in with the Melt Cosmetics Muerte palette. And I am going to go in with Duelo and Noche Interna. These two shades right here. We're going to mix those together and apply them to the eye. All right, so now we're taking Lagrimas from this palette, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of that Zero Gravity. And we are just going to put this on like the outer edges of what we're doing here. All right, and now we're taking Pantheon, and I am just going to kind of darken up the eye with this, putting it right in here, and then I'll also probably put some way out here. All right, so now we're going to take a little bit of Katrina, which is like a dark navy blue black shade with these beautiful blue flakes of glitter. And I am just going to place that on my lid right in here. Okay, so I have cleaned up that area. Now I am just going to put kind of a base down. I'm just using a little bit of concealer. I could use that primer again, but honestly, concealer will be just fine. And now I'm going to go in with the Menagerie Cosmetics Sugar High Palette. There is a really beautiful blue shade in here called Falling with Style. It is so gorgeous. I love this palette, you guys. It's so pigmented and just such a great palette. I am going to take some of that Falling with Style and just place that right here. All right, so now all in this area right in here, I'm going to start like fading that all into purple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Nightmare Before Christmas Christmas Town palette by Melt Cosmetics. There's a bunch of really beautiful purples in here. So I'm going to use those and just kind of fade these two sides together. And we might even use a little bit of Yogurt Drop from that Menagerie Cosmetics palette as well. I kind of want this is where the eclipse is actually going to go, like right in this area, kind of off center. So I want this purple to kind of be like an aura kind of shade around the eclipse. We might even add just the slightest bit of pink in there as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Mehron Paradise Paint palette and go ahead and create the eclipse on my eye. This thing is completely filthy. It's very well loved. I need to get a new one. But yeah, let's go ahead and create this eclipse on our eye, and then we will do the clouds as well. Okay, so I don't think I want it to be directly in the center of my face. I kind of want it to be off center. All right, so I think that's as round as that's gonna get. It kind of looks like it's not round right in here, but that's just because my face, it's sitting right on a curved surface, but that's as round as we're gonna get. Now I'm gonna go around this whole entire shape, and we're gonna do the sun behind the moon. All right, so I'm gonna take white and just go around this whole entire shape and kind of create the rays of the sun. We might also add some sort of like shine spot, if that makes sense. All right, so now taking a little bit of yellow, orange, and pink eyeshadows, I'm just gonna go around this whole entire thing and just kind of make some rays coming off of this. We're gonna leave a little bit of white around the whole thing. All right, so now I'm gonna add some clouds to this and give this whole look a little bit of depth. All right, so now I'm going to literally go in and shade every single one of these clouds. All right, so now I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. I don't want to overwork those clouds too much because then they're just gonna stop looking like clouds. So we're gonna add some mascara, some eyeliner, and some lashes, and this look will be complete. All right, so now I'm adding T Lashes by Beat Gang Lashes. You can use code BRIA to save some money. I make nothing from that code, you guys. That is for you guys to save money on your order. These are definitely some of my favorite lashes by Beat Gang. They're just so flirty and fun. And this is the final Eclipse makeup look. I hope you guys stay safe out there and enjoy that eclipse on April 8th. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.